What's up YouTube? We're in the garage. We've got the Corolla. I'm just going to show you how to remove the intake hose and clean the throttle body on this 1.8 liter Corolla / Chevy Prizm. They also put these in the Pontiac Vibes and Matrix and maybe Celica. Let's do it. I've got my battery disconnected for good measure. First things first, I'm going to undo this hose clamp up here, 10mm or Phillips. Get that loose. I'm gonna pull this cruise control cable just out of the hanger here. And then, let me show you here. So if you look down, the second hose clamp bolt is right here. So that's also 10mm. You can use an extension or a Phillips. Get it loose, squeeze it, pull it, hang your hose clamp there. And then same thing, you can twist and just get this off. I'll clean this up, I'll wash it, put that off to the side. It only goes back on one way. Let me get you a shot of the throttle body. All right, so now you can see your throttle body. You can use the throttle assembly here. You can open it up. I'm just gonna get some carb cleaner and a rag and clean up that butterfly, so be right back. All right, I've got a can of some old throttle body cleaner. That's what I'm gonna be using. I've got a straw and clean shop towels. It's a little tedious, but just do your best. Get a light, do the best you can. You don't want to get fluid down into the, I'm gonna say it's the idle air control body down here. You'll see some coolant lines going into it, and then this clip right here. Inside the throttle body here, there's a little window that goes down in there. You don't wanna get fluid down there if you can help it. Just do your best. Just spray onto the butterfly. Get in there, open up the butterfly. So nice and dirty, so you get the idea. Let me keep doing this and I'll be right back. All right, so do your best. If yours is really, really bad, then you may want to consider taking the throttle body off, but you should be able to get it pretty well with just your hand. I know the butterfly itself still looks dirty, but you mainly want to focus on the, the top and the bottom where the butterfly rests when it's closed, so that way you're not sticking or anything. So just really get like the top and the bottom. Well, it still looks dirty, but it's actually clean. It just has some staining on it. Get the top and the bottom as best you can, and then you can clean up around the outside too, where your intake sits, and that'll make sure your seal is good. So let me get this buttoned up. Be right back. All right, I have the air filter out. You don't need to do that for this job, but just in case you want to, you can. It's really easy. The top, there's two clips here, and then I have a video on this, so check it out. But then the back of this air box right here, these feet have to go in these little clip spaces right here first. You have to make sure those are seated before you can go down, or else you'll have a break in your seal around and you won't be able to do these clips. So check out the video for the air filter if you want. Clean up your hose clamps, and I like to hit them with some silicone spray. I pretty much drink that stuff for breakfast, so. All right, intake only goes in one way. There's a little notch to meet up with the air box here and clean up your surface. But this notch will remind you that this side goes here because there's no notch on the throttle body side. Put your hose clamps on and just weasel this thing down. So get that top one on there with the notch. Make sure you're fully seated. Just tension up this clamp. Muscle the bottom one on and cinch it up and you're good to go. Just look at your dirt lines and just make sure you're fully seated. You'll feel it. Hope that helps. Just do your best. Get it clean. It's better than nothing. Subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching. See ya. Check out my other videos on this generation Corolla / Chevy Prizm.